Hello, I'm Maurice Odera, Clerk of Works, Cicada, Crest. I'm here to take you through November-December progress. This is the show house. It's 95% done. The skirting is done. Feature wall in the living room and the master bedroom is done. TV stand here and the master bedroom is also done. The wardrobes, all the works are done except for the light and the balcony rail. Walling on block A, we are at 10th floor, which is 70% done. And on block B, we are at 8th floor, which is also 70% done. Plaster work is at 7th floor on both wings. It's ongoing. In November, we did columns to 15th floor, and we already did the 15th floor slab formwork. We did the steel work and the mechanical and electrical work for 15th floor slab, and now it's 100% casted. Now we are still fixing for columns to 13th floor wing B is ongoing. Formwork for columns to 13th floor is also ongoing. We are casting also the columns to 13th floor.